Hey guys, today gonna do something completely different. Yes, that's right. Points and really good steals. I talk about really good ammo from Nerf Elite series stars and brushes you can use. And this is an ammo I talk about Nerf Elite ammo. These look like these. The difference between both of them difference, but nothing really can put take on them. So what I'm gonna do is fire two blasters with the same amount of ammo. Yes, that's right. Nerf mod stripe, Nerf elite disruptor. Two two blasters I might use. Note, this is a completely different one I will use because what you're gonna see is the ammo test. You ready? Let's go. Okay. Oh, hold up. 1 minute. Oh my gosh. You keep having me. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Ooh. So no mod is no police like that. 120. Okay, let's set it. My goodness. Keep missing. Oh. What's this going on here? I can fire better. One ten for enough minus strike. Oh man. Good questions. For the footage I did, the Nerf was shooting faster than Nerf my drive, but all I get is 110 points out of this because in comparison of every Nerf that I have used. See, Nerf tip is actually like this, and the body is still actually concerning me. I'm so bad, but I have no problem of it. Just go and I'll feel again, but I have no issue with these Nerf buzzers in my whole entire life. While the game is some accurate results and but most of these results are pretty fine. Now my dog can go into areas I do not know about. These are not very accurate themselves. Can't even go up 200 score on them. But it would feel like I'm not gonna go aim over these. Bye bye. And I will be reviewed by this Nerf dot Squidge Bullet 180s. And the browser I mentioned in the video as well. So, hope to see you soon for another video, and goodbye.